No. Whew. Yeah, I'm pretty much king around here too. I just, own the area.
You own the whole thing.
Yeah.
Aira.
No, it's true. I'm telling the truth.
Kagori roko itiru Māori.
Okay, no, but, I understand it. It's pretty much halfway there. I think it is actually halfway there. I'm pretty smart too.
Bruce Whitehall, haramai.
No, but I think she really likes me.
She likes you for your money, more like.
I'd stay clear of that one, darling.
Sometimes the most beautiful flowers are the hardest to get, Mums. It's so hard being Bruce sometimes. Oh.